In this video, what I'm going to do is go over some mineral oil that you would basically put on, wood, bamboo, steel. It conditions and protects. I've got a little cutting board here, and I've already put mineral oil on that. It didn't change the color that much. It made it a little more shinier, but it smells better, that's for sure. And just going over the box here, the package contains, 16 fluid ounces of mineral oil and a brush. The volume, you got the boxes. You pour mineral oil onto the surface of the wood, spread evenly with brush. And let me just kind of show you this. Here's the bottle itself. I like it came in a nice container right there, just like that. You'll put a little squirt on there. You ain't got to do much, that's for sure. And you get your own little brush to it. And then you basically just brush it in. This is something I recommend for anyone that has any type of cutting board, pans, or anything like that, whether it's a bamboo stool, and they just want to keep it nice and fresh. So you don't have to worry about preparing food on here because it's not like a petroleum-based oil. How about that? Look how nice that looks once you paint it. See how shiny that is? Where you look at that other side. Now this is my third coat on this. I'm going to put a couple more on it and really get it to set in there. But this is something I recommend for anyone that just has any type of cutting boards, rolling pins, or things like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, Home Supply mineral oil. See you on the next video.